Hey guys, how you doing? It's Roy Smith from Custom Routed Signs and Woodworking. Just wanted to give you an update on the new workshop. We're coming out pretty good here. It's been a couple weeks. Went ahead and we just finished up putting a small platform patio to come out so we don't fall out of the shop when we're going in and out, be able to open up the doors. And yesterday we set the post for the rough-in for our electrical, and I acquired an electrical box, so we're almost set up for that. A couple weeks we'll be digging from here all the way out to that transformer right about there. Whoops, right about there. 160-foot run conduit, and then I have to run it inside of the building itself. We're ready for our rough-in inspection here in the shop. We painted the floor gray. Ran into a little issue with the OS&B decking that they use for the building. No fault to themselves or anything, but I had a reaction to it, and I have forgot that I get asthma attacks from the smelling of the OS&B, so we went ahead and painted it, put 2 coats of light gray flooring paint down, and it made a big difference. So, but I guess you don't need to hear that. Personal issues. So we've got our rough-in electric all in here. It's all set. We get a hold of the inspector, have him come out, set it up. We have our canless lights in, canless lights I should say, in. We got 4 on each wing, and we have 4 up in the loft area with a 42-inch ceiling fan. And I was going to go with a 36, but I thought, well, I got room enough, we'll put a 46 in, so it'll be really comfortable in here during the summer. And so yeah, this is it. 100 amp service panel we're putting in. As you can see, we got a whopping 4 circuits and GFCI arc flash rated circuit breakers required by code. And yeah, we're all set here. We should be ready for our initial inspection soon. I just got to make an appointment and get it done. So in the meantime, folks, you have a good one, and I always say, support your local fire department, please. We appreciate it. If you like this, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share with your friends, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.